and food journalist, and it's my pleasure to be with you here at CES 2020. And we created this exclusive connected living zone to bring you all together so that we can enjoy the very best connected experiences that Samsung aims to offer with intelligent devices. We hope to inspire you with our innovations and seamless connectivity that you're going to see very shortly. So without further ado, I'd like to introduce you to one of our connected living experiences. This is Samsung's next generation robot, BotChef. The BotChef is an AI-powered collaborative robotic arm that can use everyday kitchen tools. As a cooking assistant, BotChef can guide you through recipe steps while cutting, mixing and seasoning as needed. We're excited about bringing this technology to your kitchen because, look, when it comes to meal prep, nothing beats an extra set of hands in the kitchen. Let me show you what I mean. Hey BotChef.
Hi Chef, what are we making today?
Now, there's no need to instruct this robot with complicated or unnatural programming. It can understand the user's voice commands, and it can also find recipes and break them up into helpful actions like this. Hey BotChef, let's make a salad.
Okay, which one would you like to make?
How about the sesame tofu salad?
Okay, let's see what we have.
Now it's analysing the recipe and figuring out which steps it can help me out with.
Okay, I'll heat up the stove. Can you pass me the tofu?
I could do that. There's the tofu.
Next you add the cabbage, while I keep the tofu.
Right. Now Samsung knows that in order for this technology to really make an impact in our everyday lives, it needs to be affordable. That's why we've engineered these robots from the ground up, using custom gearboxes and electronics that will help their price tag read more like a kitchen appliance instead of a luxury car. The bot is designed with safety in mind, so if it's holding something sharp and I get too close, it can slow down or even stop in order to keep my hands safe. Now I know that the idea of having a robot in your kitchen might be a little bit intimidating and scare some of you, but there's nothing to worry about. There are numerous safety precautions in place that will put your mind at ease. Hey BotChef, I've added the cabbage.
I finished cubing the tofu. After you added the cabbage, please put the tofu in the pan.
Sure. Now that's another great thing about BotChef. It walks you through the recipe so you'll never miss a step or lose your place. And if I'm unsure of what to do next, I can just ask. Hey BotChef, what's next?
Next you are going to cut spring onions, 1 carrot, and 1 bell pepper.
Gotcha. Now, we want these robots to be easy for anyone to use. So we're developing an ecosystem of various skills that users can download and use with simple voice input. Let me show you what I mean. Hey BotChef, can you make me a coffee?
I'm not sure how to do that yet. Would you like me to download that skill?
Yes, please.
Okay, downloading.
Now that BotChef knows what it needs to complete this task, it can use our AI and computer vision algorithms to search the environment for the necessary items and then plan a path to complete my request. Now, one of the features of the robot is its ability to use everyday kitchen appliances that are traditionally considered smart. Items like this coffee machine are operated by a physical push of a button by the robot. This 3-finger gripper has been designed to pick up hard-to-grab objects like these coffee pods and has a significant grip strength that allows it to pick up a wide variety of everyday objects. It also has an ability to lift objects of different weights, from something light, like those little coffee pods, to something a lot heavier, like a full bottle of oil, as we saw earlier.
I'll add the dressing. I'm having trouble locating the dressing. Can you help me find it?
Now, when the system scans the environment and can't find an object that it needs, it will let you know that it needs your help. As soon as I place the item within view of the robot,
there it is.
It will detect the object and figure out how best to grasp it.